Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to watch TikTok live while using other apps. Alright, it's very easy guys. Now let's get started. Now the first step we have to take is to go to our phone settings. So right now I'm going to click on settings, and from settings just scroll down and click on general. Then you're going to find this picture in picture option right here. Click on that. And what we have to do right here is to turn this on. So when you turn this on, videos will continue playing in an overlay even when you press the home button. All right. So let me go back and play a TikTok live video and show you how this works. So
Meet my
I'm going to search for live now, and then we're going to watch any of these live videos right here. So once this live video starts playing, all you have to do now is to close the live by pressing the home button on your iPhone, and then you observe that the video will continue playing on your home page. Right, so you can open any app on your phone and it will still continue playing. And also you can drag and drop this window at any position of your screen. All right, so guys, this is how you can watch TikTok live video while using other apps. Thanks for watching.